This is the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. It is very intense. It is among the most intense of all of the Ordinary products that I have tried and used, and I have a lot. I do like it, but there are some things that I want to almost kind of warn you about. So first of all, it is meant to exfoliate and plump your skin. It is a little bit high maintenance of a product in terms of how you're supposed to use it. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to wash your face, and then you're supposed to dry your face or let your face dry naturally. I just kind of pat my face dry with a washcloth, and once it's dry, then you use the dropper and you apply about 2 drops per section of your face and you rub it in. I would not use this if you have any open sores or cuts or, like acne on your skin, because it will sting so much. Like, it will really sting. And so just be aware of that. The stinging sensation does kind of like go away after a little bit, but it will sting initially when you put it on. But after you rub it into your face and completely cover your face, avoiding the eyes and mouth, obviously, you'll leave it on for 10 minutes and then you can rinse it off. My face basically feels transformed when I use this. Like, after that 10 minutes has passed and I rinse it off of my face, just the skin feels so soft. It just feels brand new. It feels like I peeled off a layer of skin on my face. It is really good. But the other thing about it is a little time consuming. You're supposed to leave it on your face for 10 minutes. Although the product itself says that you might need to work up to being able to use it 10 minutes, some people can only last like 3 to 5 minutes the first time that they use it. I think the first time I tried it, I did last 10 minutes. It's not painful by any means, but like I said, if you've got any sort of open cut or wound or some kind of angry acne, like, this is gonna sting. So for me, I was fine. I didn't have anything like that when I tried it for the first time. But 10 minutes is kind of a long time. So I like to use it in the shower after I, have conditioner in my hair or like a hair mask in. I'll wash my face, I'll dry my face really quickly, and then I'll put this on and I'll just kind of hang out in the shower with my hair conditioning at the same time, maybe do like a body scrub, and after 10 minutes is up, I will wash this off of my face. 10 minutes is a lot to give for a product to work on your skin, but if I have the time, this is how I kind of treat myself, and you're only supposed to do this like once a week or once every 10 days or something like that. This is not a product that you use every day, but a little goes a long way. It's extremely powerful, and it has really helped improve the condition of my skin, so I would definitely recommend it.